Hey there, quick review on these NOCO multi-bank chargers. I've reviewed a lot of the NOCO brand jump starters and chargers, and they are just one of my favorite brands of all time. The fit and finish on their product is excellent, and they just work extremely well. The first thing I want to point out on this product is its size. So you can see here, it's basically palm sized. If you need to move this somewhere or take it with you, it is not heavy, it's not difficult to transport. Comes with a couple of screw holes on the side here so you can securely mount it to the wall, which is how I've got mine set up here, and it looks great and it's nice and functional. The nice thing about NOCO products is that the way they're set up, you get options. So with this kit, you're gonna get about a 2-foot whip with your standard battery connectors on it. Now that's nice because on a workbench like this, I don't want a bunch of long cords up here to try and keep untangled. However, if I want to use this in a situation where I have batteries that are further away from the charger, in this kit, it also includes 2 additional cord lengths that are about 10 feet long that you can plug into these and go a lot further. So that's super handy. And then because this is a multi-bank charger, you can charge a battery on 2 different vehicles or pieces of equipment that are in 2 different directions, 20 feet apart if you need to. If you're not charging and you want to disconnect your connectors, you've just got a little bit of cord here and it's very neat and tidy and organized. When you're not using these multi-bank chargers, you can leave them plugged in standby mode where the orange power light is illuminated. That just means it's in standby mode and it's drawing a microscopic amount of power so it can just stay plugged in all the time. Hooking up a battery, pretty simple. I've got it hooked up to terminal 1 here. You can see that light just turned on. It detected automatically that I've got a 12-volt battery on there. And this is the battery from my dump trailer. It's been sitting for quite a while, so it's pretty far depleted. So it automatically went into charging. And as you can see, it's all the way down on the first bar here. That means it's at 25% or less charge. Now, the beautiful thing about these chargers is they will automatically desulfate a battery if it needs that. And it's very smart and intuitive. It's not going to damage a battery or overcharge it. It's also going to monitor the temperature of the battery to optimize charging. So it is sensing the heat signature on the battery, so it's not going to allow it to overheat, or if it's cold, it's going to compensate for that as it's charging. The connectors are really nice, just nice fit and finish, good quality. They bite on really well. Now, as you'll see here again, I'm at 25%. Now, if this battery was extremely depleted and the voltage was so low that the charger could not even detect the battery, you also have a force charge mode. And if you just hold down the mode button here, now it's going to go into force charge. So here you'll see that is the force charge signature. So it's going to force charge for 5 minutes, which is going to give the battery enough juice for the charger to start detecting it again, and then it will go into its automatic charging functions. Now, because this is 25%, I don't want to be in force charge mode, so I hit the power button again, so now it's off on standby mode. I'm going to turn it on. It's going to start going through its process to detect the voltage on the battery, and as you can see there, it's starting to illuminate and charge. Once it gets all the way to green and it stays solid green, that means it's fully charged. And then this will also maintain your batteries. It will not overcharge. So if this is full, I can leave it hooked up, and as it starts to just discharge, the unit will sense it and the green light will flash on and off, indicating that it's maintaining the battery. So great for just hooking up to batteries and leaving it on so that it maintains batteries as well. Another key thing worth mentioning is obviously being a multi-bank battery charger, I can charge 2 different batteries at the same time. Those batteries can be completely different types of batteries. I could be charging a 6-volt battery over here on this other side. I could be charging a an AGM battery on the left side and a lithium battery on the right side. It'll do both. This is also going to be fantastic if you are a boat owner and you've got multiple batteries on your boat or your RV. These multi-bank chargers are fantastic for that. You can run your lead cables out to multiple batteries and keep everything maintained and charged all at the same time. Can't go wrong with one of these. They're fantastic, whether you're using it to keep your toys charged or you just want to put it on your workbench and have the capability to charge multiple batteries at the same time. These are fantastic.